Do that again.
It hurts my throat.
You're such a dork. You're such a dork.
The words are coming out of my voice box faster than my mouth is moving. Look.
Mama dead. Kelly. Yodo. You only die once, so make it good.
So make it very dramatic and painful. I can see the light.
Kelly, no, don't leave me.
Fell over. Fail.
No, I was doing my own noises. Hey, you know what I can do?
I can make the weirdest noises. Like, ready? Huh. Alright. Let me think.
I used to be able to make this noise, like I just found out, because I'm weird, so I just make random noises when I'm bored. And I forget how to do it, but I made like a blues tone, like
It's like,
like why was I even doing that?
I was just making like a blues, like,
Yeah, that's what it was like. It was so weird. I was just like, Grace, what are you doing? And then I'm just like, I don't know, I'm bored.
Wait, ready? Listen to this noise. I discovered I could do this when I was laying on the floor one time, but I gotta lay down. Okay, ready?
I just fell off my bed laugh. It hurts.
Okay, and done.
I'm back. You should know that I'm recording this.
Come on.
You should just know that. You're like a monkey. I'm a monkey. Okay? Oh my god. Okay, so Kelly, we're doing lunges in cross country, and Cole, stop it. Nick and Mark were in the playground with the little kids, and we're doing them, like, looking at them like this. And we're just like, Cole, you attracted by our lunges? You like our lunges? And he said deeper. He said do them deeper. Like, go deeper. What is that face? It's so weird. Rolling. Rolling.
Boom!
Catholic school swag. Melrose murderers. Oh. Ready? Oh. Ready?
Ready? Wait. Look.
Ah. Kelly, you're a dog.
What the?
Hello. Little Blue Riding Hood. Look like a monkey. Hello. Do you have any cookies? When you like a cookie from your grandma?
I look like a corn dog.
Or a burrito. Or a churro. I'm Little Blue Riding Hood. What's your... Kelly? No. Kelly, put on pants. Take it off.
I can't try. I'm trying to do something.
Look at me. No, just like, it was like, oh. That's what it was. That's exactly what it was. Kelly, it says.
Wait.
You choked his death on that?
I gagged just a little bit. Oh, there's hair in my mouth.
Your sister replied and she said hi. Here's a tweet.
Why does my cheek look so red?
It's like Niall's cheek.
I have a natural rosy flush. Just kidding. I probably slapped myself. Your lips look brown.
Oh no.
Oh my god, you look so creepy right now.
Ew.
You were all crackly. It's all crackly there. It's normal now.
Ready? This is how I apply my makeup. Yeah. Mind you, there's no chin frame.
One time
Bracelet.
for Easter, my mom bought me a lip gloss and it exploded.
Oh my gosh.
It was
Last
disgusting.
year, my mom got me lip gloss, and it tasted so bad. Like, not that
Look
I
at my
was eating it. But
Like
like,
about
you know, when you
dimple.
put something on your lip, like you can taste it. Hi. Kelly, I don't want to see your lips. Kelly, it's so
They look really
creepy.
red. Look, it's my door.
Yeah. Okay, bye. Yes. Well, yeah, but I can
What?
do those. Okay. Okay, bye. Bye, Mom. Kelly,
Yeah.
what you doing?
Admiring myself. Just kidding. I don't even have a mirror. I can't even see myself.
Admiring myself and nothing.
I'm just picturing my face.
Yeah, I'm gonna hang up for 5 seconds and then call you again.
Okay. Hi, Grace.
Hi.
How are ya?
Good.
She left.
How are ya?